Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a Bluesky account and get signed up step by step. Make sure to stick around till the very end to learn how to join the Bluesky community and start exploring. So let's dive in. First up, head to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the Bluesky app. Once the download is complete, open the app to get started. You will land on the opening screen where you will see the option to create an account. Click on it to start your registration. Now you will be prompted to enter some basic details. So type in your email address, create a password, and then provide your date of birth. Once done, click on Next to continue. Next, it's time to add your unique user handle. This is your username on Bluesky. So choose something that represents you well, and once you have picked your handle, click on Next, and then you will be prompted to set up your profile photo. So choose an image from your gallery that best represents you, and then click on Continue to move forward. Bluesky will now ask you about your interest. So browse through the options and pick the categories that appeal to you the most. After selecting, hit Continue, and you're almost there. To complete the setup, click on Let's Go, and you're now all set up and ready to start exploring Bluesky. And with that, you have successfully created your account on Bluesky. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.